So in this video, I am going to show you how to convert a PDF to Excel quickly and easily. By following these steps, you will save time and avoid the hassle of manually inputting data. So let's start the video. To convert a PDF to an Excel file, you can use ilovepdf. Open Google Chrome and start by visiting the ilovepdf website at ilovepdf.com. Once on the home page, select the PDF to Excel option from the main menu. Click the Select PDF File button to upload your PDF document. You can also drag and drop the file into the designated area. After the file is uploaded, click the Convert to Excel button to start the conversion process. The website will process your PDF and convert it into an Excel file. Once the conversion is complete, a download link will appear on the home screen. Click the Download Excel button to download the converted file to your computer. If you need to convert multiple PDF files, you can repeat the process for each file. So that's how you can convert PDF to Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel.